destination to Beijing to a Milan International Airport, HAK, located in the Henan province. Prior to the planes entering into the People's Liberation Army protected zones of the South China Sea, known as the Spratly Islands. However, the report continues, Flight 370 significantly deviated from its flight course and was tracked by VKO satellites and radar flying into the Indian Ocean region and completed its nearly 3,447 kilometers flight to Diego Garcia. Now, you got to remember, Diego Garcia is where we house all of our, not stealth fighters, but the stealth bombers. The B-1 bombers are all based there. So this is getting kind of interesting, actually, I think. Anyway, who knows what's going to happen next. Anyway, I'm going to continue with this because it's so fascinating to me. Most troubling to the GRU about Flight 70's diversion to Diego Garcia, the report says, was that it was nearly immediately followed by some top disease scientists and experts from the United States Center for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, and the Chinese Center for Disease Control and Prevention, the CCDCP, embarking to Diego Garcia on at least 4 flights. Now, isn't that fascinating? Anyway, that's the way that goes. So anyways, it gets, this mystery deepens, and what Dr. Fall is really getting at is there may have been something on board that airplane. And we don't know what kind of a disease maybe somebody's come up with. Anyway, this is more or less what I think they're saying here as to why both American and Chinese disease experts were taken to Diego Garcia, where Flight 3